Now I updated that note in the description there. So and that is for later. I'm going to show you how why that's important to do that. Right. So I'm ready to start putting in my wall here, and I'm going to go finish face interior because that's what we decided. Ground floor is going up to the ceiling level. All right, and with our basic wall, and I'm going to start to draw this in clockwise in a clockwise motion, like so. Now, there you go. So if we zoom in, that is my particular external wall installation there. Right, now, one thing I didn't do in this particular file, because I've got two files on the go here. Do you remember Ling pointed out to us that this um, uh, grid should actually be on this side here. So I'm just using my arrow keys to bring this across. We know the dimension we're looking for between 5 and 6 there is going to be 1150. So now I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, and you can see that the increments are coming down in tens there. So I'll zoom in a little bit more and move that across for, okay, just zoom in even a little bit further so I can move the increment of, that's moved in fives. Now, clear the way. And is that 50, is it? 60, I think. There you go, 50. Perfect. Right, 1550. Because Ling pointed out correctly that the toilet block is on this particular side here. Right, so escape, escape, and we're going to change these to 1. And I'm going to do this one to capital A, this one to capital B, and this one to 2, and this one to 3. Okay, now we're in business. I'll go back to my ground finish floor plan here. So we're set up correctly there. Right, I might just pop in a couple of dimensions here now on my grids just to make sure that I'm happy with those. And I am, yeah. All right, that's grand. Escape, escape. Right. So the next thing that we wanted to do was to put in our foundation walls here. And let's see if I can get this in. So architecture wall. And we said we had an existing one, two 15 footing here. And if you remember, what we're going to do is we're going to go from ground level to ground level, but we're putting in a minus 900 here. Okay, and we are going to go center core line interior, right? Core line interior. That means I can snap on here and snap up to there. Now it's going to shout at me because it is going in, but we just can't see it. So maybe a couple of more bangs here now in a second, and I will get that in as far as there, and I'll finish this around the corner here. Now, all right, if I go into a 3D view, you'll see that there is my foundation sitting in place. We wanted to get back the outline of the block walls here, and you can see that there's no surface pattern on this one. But if I go to concrete masonry units, I just change the color of these down to the light gray, and I'm going to change the block work here to the diagonal up. Right, that's all correct now, and I will go apply and OK and OK and OK again. Now there I've got my block work foundations there. The last thing I'm going to do here then is go into the structure, into the wall, and if I hit my tab, I can choose all the walls together, and there goes my foundation, strip foundation in there too. All right, so we'll pick this up. I'm going to do the tassel walls next in part 5.